Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to charge your devices using your Google Pixel 11 Pro. So fortunately, to do that, you don't have to enable anything in your settings. You just have to get yourself a two-sided cable that supports power delivery. Insert one side of this cable into your Google Pixel and another one into a different device. And once you do that, if your other device lacks battery, it will start charging using your Google Pixel 11 Pro's battery. And that's how easy it is. Now, to make sure that you are charging another device, you can swipe down the control center and see this notification. If you tap on it, you'll be able to choose what you want to use your Google Pixel 11 for. You just have to select this device and then select whichever option you like. So if you'd like to transfer files instead of charging, you have to select file transfer. Then you can also use any of these features. And if you want to disable this charging, you have to switch this toggle off. Then the opposite will happen, as you can see. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.